So guys, there is a most important factor to consider is competition level in top tier companies. So there is a high competition in top tier companies, guys. So these companies are very successful companies because they have a high skilled working professionals. So do you really think that you can replace them? These working professionals are who make the significant impact on the company's business. They are the one who drive the business forward. They work very efficiently, and these are the one who are very extraordinary people. So you are just thinking to replace them. So if you are working in such atmosphere, in a competitive atmosphere, um, the probability of your growth in such companies is very less. On the other hand, if we see some smaller companies or companies which are struggling already, why they are actually struggling? Because of their management. The people who are working at the top management level, they are not highly skilled people relatively. I'm saying this again, they are not highly skilled people relatively. They are highly skilled people, but comparatively to the people who are already working in top management in top tier companies, they are not as such highly skilled professionals. So even people with the average skill set, they can grow to some extent. If you are someone who is aspiring to become a CEO or a director of the company, or maybe you want to go to such position above to top management, where you want to lead a legacy, where you want to be a leader, right? Where you want to lead the large number of people. So if you are coming from that mindset, so it is very difficult to grow in top tier companies because of the competition level is so high. Whereas in small companies, in startup companies, the competition that you get might be relatively low. Now, the second factor which I guess it could be, so in top tier companies, you will hardly get to know about any loopholes in the system. Even though if you do find, they take the action immediately and they recovered it right then and there. But in bottom tier companies, you will come across lots of problem in top management. So guys, if you're working in such bottom tier companies, consider yourself a lucky employee, because there are so many problems you're gonna come across. And let me tell you, problems never come alone. They always come along with the opportunities. So where there are so many problems, there are so many opportunities also. So guys, I hope you find this video very informative and very valuable. If you have liked it, then please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'm having lots of things to come up with. So if I'll be uploading any video in future, you will get notified. So that's it for today. Signing off, Abhishek Chauhan.